Alright, we got our fuel injection in yesterday. That and a few other parts from Summit. We got new intake gaskets, valve cover gaskets, and bolts, a couple of bolt kits. Bought this kit off, bought the fuel injection off eBay. It was a lot cheaper than buying a new one. It has everything there except fuel lines and a fuel filter, so I can pick them up at the local NAPA or O'Reilly's or something like that. Crowbar and gang. Bought an intake, got a Performer RPM. Take it to work, blast it, put it through sonic cleaner, clean it up. Somebody painted it and cleared it, and I've run into that problem before, and the heat turns that clear coat brown, so then it looks kind of crappy. We got it up on blocks, jack stands. It's got a couple leaks, not too awful bad, I don't think. Looks like it's going to have a transmission pan gasket. It's got a bolt missing in the transmission mount. Looks like maybe the rear main may be leaking a little bit. We'll see about that when we get that far into it. We've got to pull the pan off, pull the cross member to get the pan off, looks like. So if we do that, we'll pull the transmission, get that out of the way. Since we're that far in, pull the rear main. Rear end needs pinion seal. It's leaking pretty good a little bit there, but don't look like it's been leaking long. It ain't really slung no grease up under the truck. So we'll get that changed out. We'll sit down and make a list for do the filter fluid, plugs, wires, cap, rotor, all those, basics, change oil in it. Do the rear end grease, see what gear ratio it is. We're figuring 308, 350s maybe, that area. So looks like rock auto, here we come.